ng hiwalayan dito sa marriage life mo, okay? Kasi meron talagang away. With the Five of Wands also, there is a competition, okay? Um, you know, you have to surrender this kasi, parang nagkakaroon ka rin ng too much emotion with this, okay? You needed to stay on ground, okay? Gaano man ka gaano man katindi yung sitwasyon, just, keep calm, stay on ground, kumbaga stay grounded, okay? Stay on ground ako ng stay on ground. Stay grounded, what I mean, okay? And then I have here the Hangman, hindi makapag-isip, magulo yung idea, magulo yung isip. Hindi niya malaman kung iso-surrender na ba or, um,